Introducing PeerBizz, the first e-commerce mega platform hosted on your computer that gives you the possibility to sell in retail or auction mode. With PeerBizz, you get a powerful peer browser where you can search for peer shops, including the perfect products that you are looking to buy, easily. You can chat and interact with peer shoppers browsing the same shop as you, and socialize with other shoppers and the owner in real time. The software comes with the most advanced shopping cart, plus the Community Edition is free and will always be. Join the community today. You get all the common tools found in the most advanced e-commerce websites, giving you the power to compete in the new economy. It can be installed on your computer in a matter of seconds, in a few clicks, plus you can expand the platform's capability. It is an admin panel to manage your peer shop and a front end where other shoppers can visit your peer shop and start shopping. The Peer Manager is where the action is happening. You can see in real time everything happening in your peer shop and much, much more. Every shop comes with a compare feature where every shopper can compare products you sell to find the best option for them now. The product details section is designed to showcase your product in the best way possible to entice every peer shopper to buy your product. It uses a unified interface design with endless possibilities and powerful options that you won't find on any other platform. It is unique. The grid system will be fully customizable, and you will be able to generate many custom display grids for every department and collections. It is intuitive and easy to use the minute you install it. So easy to use your grandmother can use it and prosper. It lets you manage your inventory really easily in the My Shop section of the platform. So building products catalog has never been easier. The Peer Browser gives you data. You know in great detail what is happening on the network the minute you start to browse. With the Peer Browser, you can browse the network, both a list and grid view for easy browsing and display of your peer shop's catalog. You get a full-featured About page where you can introduce yourself and your team for every peer shopper that comes in to browse. The software is Retina ready, so you can be sure that your product and shop will look their best on any screen size. PeerBizz is a store where you can manage your peer shop easily and effectively, giving you everything you need to succeed in selling online. And also a new kind of online store, where the possibilities are endless. Join us today.